breakfast ideas. Once you've stocked up on the best healthy breakfast foods below, you need to turn them into meals. For this, we have a master list of the best healthy breakfast recipes for weight loss, as well as easy breakfast recipes. But for inspiration, quick, get your creative juices flowing with these weight loss breakfast ideas, all of which include at least 2 healthy breakfast foods: Greek or Icelandic yogurt, berries and granola, oatmeal, apples, peanut butter, flax seeds, Southwest-inspired eggs, black beans, avocado, tomato salsa, salmon toast, Greek yogurt spread, tomatoes, cucumber, high-fiber bread, ground turkey and egg hash with sweet potatoes, slimming smoothie with peanut butter, strawberries, protein powder, almond butter toast with bananas, broccoli, eggs, turkey bacon and cheese quiche, protein coffee, whole grain pancakes with fruit, mint, walnuts and yogurt, chia pudding. What foods to eat for breakfast to lose weight? The best breakfasts start with healthy breakfast foods. These foods are the foundation, the building blocks, if you will, for the meal that's about to set the tone for your entire day. These healthy foods are high in protein, low in unhealthy fats, high in fiber and low in calories. Bookmark this article so you can always refer to it when you're making your grocery list. 1. Organic protein powder. 2. Wild salmon. 3. Egg. 4. Almond butter. 5. Land turkey. 6. All natural peanut butter. 7. Black beans. 8. Chicken breast. 9. Canadian bacon without nitrites and nitrates. 10. Avocado. 11. Spinach. 12. Watermelon. 13. Broccoli. 14. Jalapenos. 15. Bell peppers. 16. Sweet potatoes. 17. Tart cherries. 18. Berries. 19. Grapefruit. 20. Bananas. 21. Apples. 22. Plain oatmeal. 23. Steel cut oatmeal. 24. Sprouted grain toast. 25. Quinoa. 26. Crispy brown rice. 27. Flax seeds. 28. Chia seeds. 29. Walnuts. 30. Ginger.